Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Squishy Food Toys. Today we're going to be comparing two different squishy food toy products that I purchased on Amazon. One is a set of four, and then one is two different items in different colors from the same company. So I have my trusty food squishy toy comparison reviewer here with me, and he's going to help me pick apart these dim sum dumpling squishy food toys. So let's dive in. Okay, first we're going to reveal each one of these dim sum dumplings. So let's unbox them. Pink, blue glitter, blue matte, or what would you call that?
Yeah, like a mat.
Okay. Ooh,
Whoa,
gold glitter. Rainbow white clear glitter.
that's cool.
Ooh, red glitter.
Wow.
I love the little faces, they're so cute. Okay, now let's compare these. The glitter ones are from one package, and the blue and the pink ones are from a different company.
Let's start off with this red glitter one. That's cool.
What do you like about it? Oh, look at it, it's
Yeah,
shining.
when you squeeze it, it's kind of like galaxy. I mean, look at the sparkles in the camera. That's pretty cool.
Whoa.
That's intense.
You think it's just because it's red that it's intense, or do you think the other ones will be?
I think it'll
Wow.
be same, but just a different color, So it'll be a little bit different of a effect. But that one's pretty sweet. I like this one just off of first initial look at. It's got like pieces of like sparkly clear paper in it or something like that. But I mean, it looks amazing in the light and it's fun to look at like transparency. You can see through it, but like you still have like the vibrant colors. That's pretty cool.
That was what I thought when I opened them in an unboxing video the other day. This one was the one that I was like, whoa, it's so cool.
There's not much texture either too between, I mean, like with the little things in it. So like it's almost like it's not even there. That's
Whoa.
cool.
I like that you can see through it.
Totally. Gold one.
Whoa.
That's
It's
insane.
like a disco ball.
Totally. It's wild. Yeah, I mean, this one and the red one, you can't feel anything inside of it. It's just all the little sparkles, glitter.
Aw. Oh, so you could feel stuff inside the other one?
Well,
Or
a
sort
little
of?
bit,
A
yeah.
little bit?
Inside of this one, you could feel a little bit of texture. Very little, though.
Okay, like spark, like sequins or
No,
something?
like that paper. It's almost like a paper
Hmm.
that's inside there. It's like a thin paper. I don't know what it is, though.
Hmm.
Then the other new one is the blue one,
So these four come in a set.
the sparkly ones.
Yeah. And I'll share a link in the description below where you can purchase each of these items.
That's
This one
pretty
is the
cool.
set of four.
I mean, definitely if I was messing with these, I'd
Wow.
want to be in a lit area, like how we have all the lights on right now. It's like really cool to look at while you're squeezing
Whoa.
it. That's pretty sweet. And then the original ones, blue one, like like your other video, this blue one and this pink one down here, the texture of this is kind of like
Doughy? Mochi?
mochi
Yeah.
flavor or feeling.
More like a dumpling skin.
For sure, for sure. It's got a different texture. These other ones have, I mean,
It's like glue.
yeah, kind of glue or just like a soft rubber. But like
Yeah.
these ones, the texture is like dry, like mochi, like a dry,
Rice paper, rice paste.
yeah. What are those little ice creams that we get?
Yeah, that's mochi on the outside.
Yeah. And like this has like, I think it's like shaving cream or something like that inside of it. You can
Oh,
see
you can
it.
see it.
Yeah. So that
Ew.
one's really fun because it has, like I said before, it has like texture when it goes through your hands. It's like you're squeezing foam,
Whoa.
but it's not like a solid foam. I mean, closest thing I can say is like shaving cream. And same with like the pink one. Pink one's the same thing.
Ew.
Whoa.
That was kind of,
Eyeball.
that was like kind of
See if we
scary.
can make it smile real.
Ew. It looks like a worm.
Totally.
Ah.
But yeah, same difference. This is like the foam in it and the texture of it is like that dry mochi feeling. Definitely feels like a real bonbon or
Dumpling?
dumpling.
Dim
Yeah,
sum?
yeah, dim sum. It's cool.
Wow. Can you pick one that's your favorite?
I mean,
That's the one you grabbed, huh?
visually is this one.
Yeah.
I really like this, but like I said, like I'd want to be where it's very an area where it's very lit up, good lighting to really see the shining. Get the color effect because otherwise it's just like a squishy. If I look away, it's just like a squishy, and it's kind of sticky, the material.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just like a sticky, rubbery feeling.
Mm. It's more
Visually,
visually.
visually, it's very satisfying. But like these original ones with a kind of a drier feeling, like I don't necessarily need to even look at it to squeeze it and kind of enjoy it. I can just feel like that foam through it and like the dry nature of like the outside rubber here.
Okay, so these are better for feel,
Yeah,
and then these are better for looking at.
for sure.
I guess that's probably why they're glitter. I mean, if
Yeah,
they're glitter, it's you're trying to like enjoy looking at it. I
yeah,
like looking at the tops. Look at the cool
yeah. The designs on the
design.
tops are really
It
cool.
really does
Like
look
that,
like a dim sum.
for sure.
And their little homes that they live in.
Mm-hmm.
I love that it has a little home.
That's cool.
All right, well, thanks for comparing these with me today. That was fun. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun, squishy food toys and worth it home buys. See you in the next one.